Greetings, ladies and gents. Ilzy from Heathen Sen here, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I had a lovely little delivery from Chicago. So this is very interesting. So I've been waiting over 2 or so months for this delivery to come in, and I am so freaking excited. So I thought I'd do an unboxing and first impressions. So basically, you know, I mean, came in via post. Yeah, and well, obviously from the title you know exactly what this is, so let's get this open up. But first, thank you to George. Appreciate all the emails, you know, back and forth and everything. You've been such a kind gentleman, and I absolutely love it. You know, that's the kind of service I expect. It's more than I expect, let's be honest. You know, I've never had something like that before. And also, thank you to the Australian distributor, this guy named Lee Loggins. I've noticed him over at Aussie Fragrance Lounge. And yeah, shout out to him for, you know, sending this over from good old South Australia, mate. You've done an amazing job. Thank you. It literally came in a day, like, from there, which is awesome. Anyway, let's unbox this thing. Sorry, I haven't got my actual knife. You know, I'm not exactly at home, so I gotta deal with this freaking butter knife. No, you know, still cuts. All right, grand unveiling. So there we go. At the top there, Zaharoff Elixir of the World. I love that, you know? It's just a nice little touch to the simple shipping box. I love it. Okay, so we've got 2 packages over here. I'll unpack those in a second. And this I absolutely love. A nice little thank you card from Andrea and Anthony from Curly Scents. Because, well, obviously one of them is the Siren, and the other one we've got is Cintra Rosé. And what else do we have here? Oh, it's just a, you know, just a shipping note. So honestly, this is an awesome touch, you know, like very nice and personalized right there. Absolutely love it, you know, it's very sweet, very sweet. Okay, let's get these opened up then. I don't know what I'm grabbing first, but we'll see. Nicely wrapped as well in a Curly Scents. Oh, it's just got like all the logos on it. Zaharoff, TLTG. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Curly Scents as well. And what is the other one? Oh yeah, Stay Fresh Productions. So I only got, obviously, like, you know, one of the Z creators. So here we go. Wow, wow. There we go. There's the box. It's still in its wrap. So, geez, like wrap on top of wrap on top of wrap. They've done a great way, like, they've done a great job of boxing this. Absolutely amazing. Oh, this is sleek. I'm sure many of you have already seen this, but look at that artwork. How awesome is that, you know? And it's nicely sort of like, you know, it's like a satin finish. So, you know, you get like the nice shine from it, but it's like matte. And then obviously around over here, you've got like these, what you call birds. I mean, there's something about this, something that's like, I don't know, it's like birds with like, you know, human heads. I don't know, there's something Greek about this. I've seen something like this before. But anyway, you know, you can barely see it, but actually, you know, it shows like, you know, some writing over here. I'm pretty sure it's like the ingredients or whatever. Awesome. And, well, there we go. There we go. Fragrance in there. Looks absolutely amazing. It's just simple, you know? Nothing too extravagant, but does the job. And literally this is the first, actually, the first Zaharoff fragrance I've actually owned. I mean, I've had a decant from Mark from Aussie Fragrance, you know, the Signature Parom, and I absolutely love that. So let's give this one a smell. Nice gold cap, a little bit shiny, everything like that. It's got some weight to it. This is actually good. Like, you know, obviously in the middle, you're gonna have like, you know, it's like plastic and everything like that, but on the outside, you can tell it's nice and metal. It's not cheap. And that juice, that looks nice. That is nice and dark. Oof, oof. Okay. Pretty decent sprayer and woo-wee! Oh, Oh, baby. Okay, I don't remember the notes of this fragrance, but I'm going to leave the notes down over here somewhere at the bottom of the screen, top of the screen, wherever it's going to be. Let's smell this. It's a bit boozy and sweet. Oh, ambery. Oh, this is different, obviously, from the signature Pour Homme. Apparently, it's built on the base of it, so I might actually get a bit more of that on the dry down. But this is sort of like a nice sort of oriental, sort of boozy gourmand type thing going on here. Everyone told me I would absolutely love this, so you know what, I'm so glad I actually got a bottle, considering, you know what, it's only one batch of these, so I'm definitely going to be using this sparingly and for special occasions. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. All right, no messing around, let's go to the next one. And the one that I've actually been waiting for a little bit. Well, this is cool, you know, like you got like the wrapping and everything like that, and it's nicely sealed with this gold Sahara seal, and it's got that sort of like, yeah, the nice lion there. Looks pretty cool, very artful. But let's get onto the box. And once again, another awesome, absolutely awesome looking box. Once again, it's got like that satin finish to it, and it's like, it's nicely embossed, you know, it looks like, you know, you got like the whole, you know, almost like a bloom of like a rose petal. Looks absolutely amazing. And then, you know, it continues along the side with like the Zara of Z's in like the, it's like a red and like, you know, the gold color, and like it looks like a silver color as well, sort of, you know, almost like harkens back to like the original signature series with those colors. Quite like that, definitely. Very, very nice. All right. Wow. Okay. There we go. The backing, you know, it's got like that nice sort of like, you know, pinkish reddish sort of flair to it. And yeah, wow, this is definitely something like when you see the photos of this online, it doesn't look quite like this. It looks a bit more on the red side, not like the pink that you get over here. It's got this nice sort of, you know, that metal cap, and it's a matte finish, and it's got the nice sort of Z Zaharoff logo on there. Very nice. Same sort of thing you get with the cap, obviously, on the inside with the plastic and everything like that. Works well. Nice and weighty cap. Absolutely love it. And I forgot to say with the other one, like, this captures on really nice. Definitely can hold it from there. But I mean, obviously, be safe. Try not to do that. Not like me. Good thing I've got a carpet under me. So let's go give this one a smell. Been hearing way too many good things about this, so I need to try it. Wow. Hello. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is so good. Now, once again, I don't remember exactly the notes, but I remember there's a crap ton of different kinds of roses in the top and the heart. So this is going to be quite interesting. And they're saying that you're using, I think it's like Bulgarian roses. One of them is supposed to be incensey as well. Ooh, now this is more like a fresh rose. You get the greenness and you get the nice, it's not a deep dark rose, it's a bit more of a brighter one. This seriously smells like actually being in a nice fresh rose garden after blooming. Holy crap. This is unique. I did not expect this. I was expecting something else completely, you know what I mean? Like, you know, I seen a couple of reviews here and there, and, you know, for some reason I was expecting something different, but I guess, you know, different skin, you're going to get different smells, you know. So I'm definitely getting that nice fresh rose from this. Oh, this is beautiful. Ooh, can't wait to actually smell this one develop. That would be awesome. All right, guys. So this has been my unboxing and first impressions of Zaharoff's Signature Rosé and Z Creators The Siren. I'm sure you've probably seen 1,000 of these, but here's my one. Hopefully it gave you something a little bit different. If not, oh, whatever. Anyway, I'll be giving these quite a few wearings and everything like that and get to you guys a proper review soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see and what you hear, if you've smelt these before, please let me know down in the comments and hit that like button, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fragrant and men's grooming videos coming to you soon. I hope you're all doing well. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. Blessed be to you all, and I'll see you on the next video.